I'm going to show you how to adjust the blade to the machine. First of all, can you see the inside of that? There's a screw that goes in and out, okay? You see that? In and out, all right? That will adjust the position to your mouth frame right here. You want it as close as possible to the mouth frame without hearing any sound. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to back this all the way out, this screw all the way out, okay? Now I'm going to put this on, and every blade is adjusted the same way. Now you can, I don't know if you can hear that or not, but this is too close. It's rubbing on it, okay? What you want to do is you want to screw this in, all right, very, very, very lightly, okay, until you just feel it, just to start. And then you want to go about a half a turn, okay, and then you can put these, and if you don't hear any sound there and there, then you've got to hold this in, otherwise this is going to go out of adjustment, and you tighten that. This is the lock nut. And you tighten the lock nut down. Now you can take it off, and you can put it on, and it will repeat. You don't, but you can see the distance here is very close. That's the key to a good cut, but you don't want it to touch. And you do stick cutting blades and you do disc blades all the same by the sound. That way you know. You can also check it visually. That's the end.